Find a comfortable, seated, or lying position wherever you feel supported and alert. Place your hands on your lap or thighs, palms up if it feels open and receptive. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a deep, slow breath in through your nose, filling your lungs with fresh energy. And exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension. One more time, inhale deeply and exhale fully. You are here to activate your highest level of focus and power. Now bring your attention to your breath, steady, calm, and strong. With every inhale, draw in focus, and with each exhale, release anything that scatters your energy. Feel your mind becoming clear, centered, and ready. Now silently, aloud, or internal, begin to repeat these affirmations with me. Feel each one land in your body like truth sinking in. My mind is sharp, clear, and fully present. Discipline flows through me naturally and effortlessly. My concentration is deep, powerful, and unbreakable. I execute with precision, power, and joy. I am disciplined in my body, mind, and every habit. Focus is my superpower and I use it masterfully. I finish what I start with excellence and pride. My willpower grows stronger with every aligned choice. Energy, clarity, and drive fill me completely. I create massive results with calm, consistent effort. Each hour I use brings me closer to mastery. Peak productivity is my default way of being. Now breathe in all of this empowered energy and exhale any doubt. Only strength remains. Inhale focus and discipline. Seal it and exhale. When you're ready, open your eyes slowly, carrying this sharp, disciplined energy into your day. You are focused. You are disciplined. You are productive. Now and always. Step into your power today and every day.